Hi, I'm JS Bhavan. I'm currently pursuing BE Mechatronics in SNS College of Technology. Now I'm going to talk about business model canvas about Apple company. Apple is an American multinational technology company headquartered in California that designs, develops and sells consumer electronics, computer software and online services. Its hardware products include the iPhone, smartphone, the iPad tablet computer, the Mac's personal computer, the iPod portable media player, the Apple Watch smartwatch, and the Apple TV digital media player. Apple's customer software includes the Mac OS and iOS operating system, the iTunes media player, the Safari web browser, and the iLife and iWork creativity and productivity suites. Its online services include the iTunes and iCloud. Apple was founded by Steve Jobs in April 1976 to develop and sell personal computers. It was incorporated as Apple Computer in January 1977 and was renamed as Apple Inc. in January 2007 to reflect its shifted focus towards consumer electronics. Then now we are going to know about Apple's customer needs. They are social impact, life changing, provides hope, self-actualization, belonging, emotional, rewards me. Designs badge value, fun, entertainment, attractiveness, and its functional saves time, simplifies, organized, connects, and reduce efforts. Now we are going to understand about Apple's related competitors. They are Samsung, Lenovo Groups, Panasonic, Raspberry Pi, and Tech Data. Then Apple's business operation. First, curated retail guarantees focused shopping and product relevance. It presents a consumer with the most appreciable options based on past purchase and established preferences. It may be provided via human algorithm recommendations or a combination of two. Then a channel aggregation, consolidating numerous distribution routes into one to achieve greater economic efficiency. Business model for internet commercial is which a company or information about products and services for many competing sources and displays it on its website. The firm's strength is in the power to create an environment that attracts users to its website and development a system that facilitates pricing and specification matching. Then what are its credits? A credits arguments is when a customer purchases its item on credit. Technically, trade create credit is extended for a certain number of days after the product are delivered. The credits may be deducted from one's tax utility. Then I am going to tell about Apple's advertisement. This approached money by spending promotional marketing messages from other business to customers. When you establish a pro-profit company on one of the most critical aspects of your strategy is determining how to generate income. Many companies said either products or services or a mix of the two. However, advertisements are frequently the source of the majority of all the revenue for online businesses and media organizations. This referred to as an ad-based income model. Then cultural is brand. Yeah, it requires workers to live brand value to solve issues, make internal choices and provide a branded customers. Developing a culture brand is the advertising industry's holy grail. Utilizing the helps combination of time, attitude and emotional to identify and recapitulate an ideology is nearly to marketing magic. Then we are going to discuss about blue ocean strategy. The blue ocean appreciates on the market limits and industrial structure are not predictable and may be via the actions and attitudes of industrial participants. This is referred to as the writers, assuming that structure and market boundaries exist solely in managers' thought, who subscribe to this predictive avoid by actual marketing structure to them. More demand exists The core of the issue is determining how to produce it. Yeah, then it's branch marketing services. Branch marketing services is a technique for evaluating performance and gaining insight data and analytics. It may be used to conduct internal research on your firm or compress it to other business to enhance business process and performance indicates following best participates. Typically, three-dimensional are measured: quantity, time, and cost. In this performance and segments, the business process that contribute to this company's success. The digital transformation era has been shown of a data analysis focused on software businesses. Then digitalization. This pattern is based on the capacity to convert goods and services into digital version, which has several benefits on integral product. In an ideal world, the digitalization of a product or service would cause without compressing the customer value promotions. Being digitally sustainable and compressible all aspects of sustaining the institutional framework for developing and maintaining digital objects and resources and ensuring their long-term services. Customer loyalty. What are the customers' loyalty? We are the customers. So, customers' loyalty is a very successful business strategy. It entails giving successful that entails beyond the product or service itself. It is often provided that through based programs such as member discounts, birthday discounts, and points. Today, most business have some kind of intensive based programs, such as American Airlines, which rewards customers with points for each trip they take with. Then a main thing in business module canvas is Aikido. The Aikido business model is often characteristic as using a competitors tend to get over them. This is accomplished through finding weakness in competitors' strategic position. Then finally, product innovation. What are the product innovation? Product innovation is the process of developing and introducing a new or better version of an existing product or services. Apple launched a successful new products and services in 2001, the iPod and iTunes only music services, and the app iPhone, which captured film to the top of its industry. And finally, thank you for watching this video, guys.